Hi there, Charles Upton with Breakthrough Test Prep with more SAT math pointers. What I wanted to talk to you about today is dealing with percent changes. This is something that I see a lot of students get confused about, and it's a great thing to clear up now. A lot of times questions will talk about a certain value. It could be money, it could be people, it could be any sort of thing. Either being increased or decreased by a certain percentage. And what a lot of students will do is they somehow think that percents of increase or decrease should start at 0. So, for example, let's say a population of wolves increases by 13%. And I ask the student, okay, what do I need to multiply my population by to get my new population? So they'll say, all right, if I originally had 100 wolves, I'll multiply by 0.13, and that'll tell me how many wolves I have. Well, no. The problem with that is that we don't want to start a percent of change from 0. What we want to start with is the number 1, because we always start with 100% of what we have. So, for example here, if I have a population that is decreasing by 13%, and I want to get straight to that new population, I don't want to multiply by 0.13, I want to multiply by 0.87, because that's 1 minus 0.13. If I want to increase a population by 13%, I don't multiply by 0.13, I multiply by 1.13. If I do that consistently, I will always get to the desired population in one step. A lot of times what students will do is they'll say, okay, I take 13% of the total, and then I add it or subtract it from itself. But you don't want to do that because that's 2 steps where there really should be 1. So remember, next time you see a percentage question on the PSAT or the new SAT, start with the number 1, not the number 0. Thanks, and have a good afternoon.